Hello everyone, we are going to talk about one of the best data management tool, what is called Kobo toolbox. Kobo toolbox is similar to UDK collect, but it has a different opportunity to use from your mobile phone and desktop, but only you can use UDK from your mobile phone. And this tool is also developed by UNHCR, which is one of the sub-organization of United Nations. If you want to collect your data from the field, and you can use this one because it helps you to use from online and offline like UDK. Now we are going to talk about how to install and how to find Kobo toolbox. First of all, you have to go to Play Store, Google Play Store, then write and Kobo toolbox, then you will select this one. And as well as I have installed this software, that's why I see this application is already installed on my phone. So now I'm going to open this Kobo toolbox. Open button. Now we have to set up, at first we have to set up our general setting. Click on the top right corner, then click on the general setting, and you have to do first server setting. In your server setting, and you can write your server URL where you will get this one. First of all, we have to go to the browser, then you can click on the humanitarianresponse.info. This is the public server and you can use it also. If you don't have an account, then you can make an account. You can create an account there. Then you will get that URL and you will get that get your username and password. Okay, now going to I have created my account on here. That's why I see this one. So after creating account, then you can make your survey or new form, etc. Okay, now click on here. This is my username, CU, and you can use it also. And if you want to set out your account details, then you can go there. Okay, now click on here. I can set that URL. This is my our server URL should be .info/cu. Go, click on go button. Not found. Don't worry. As well as I have made an account in my another server, so you can use it also. So after getting your after go there, then whenever you go, whenever you create any server, any survey, any form, then you can check this one. First of all, you have to select the server URL, then you can write your server URL, then you can write your username here, you can write your password here, then go back again. Now then second option we have to update get blank form. Click on the get blank form. It will take more time, so you have to wait for that. And if you have made lots of form, then you have to download this one. Toggle all. If you want to toggle, if you want to select all, then click on the toggle all, and if you want to deselect, then click on here. I want to update this one, so that's why I'm going to click on the get selected. Already I have successfully downloaded this form. Now we are gonna use that form whatever I want to use. Click on the fill blank form. Now we have some form. Number 1, cox budget check. Whatever we see, please sweep that slide to left corner, left side, and do you provide the government certificate? Yes. If you have you can customize your question and survey question, etc. So how much for basic computer and office management? 100,000. You can write whatever you want. Okay, then click on the save form. Now I'm going to use another form which helps you to collect the GPS location for any location. Wherever you go, then you can record that location. Okay, how to record your location? I'm going to use this one. Click on the GPS demo form. Click on here. If you want to use your location, if you want to record your location, then you can click on the record location. But you have to be confirmed that you turn on the location. Otherwise, if you turn off your location, when you click on the record location, it will not be worked. So if you want to record your location successfully, first click on the location to be turned on that function. Now click on the record location, then it will be worked. Now already we have a map. So now I am going to check my place wherever I am right now. So click on the flash button. If you want to zoom in, then click on the flash button again and again. I'm in Chakpara. Already this location, I have got my location. So if you want to save your location, then click on the save button. Now we have got location details, latitude details, longitude details, altitude details, and accuracy. I hope that you can be understood whatever you understood my lesson. If you don't understand, please make a comment on my video description. Thanks for watching.